Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we can start now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing, have you gone through the guidelines? So have you got any idea what is transcription?
Yes.
Okay. So how many of you have experience with transcription?
I do.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
experience in loft and shape.
Okay. Okay. So here also the same process. Okay. So transcription is nothing but converting the audio into text format. Okay. This is the main work of transcription. In that transcription, we are going to use some guidelines. I mean, like some rules as per the client requirement. Okay. So that only will change according to each clients and tools. Okay. So that is what we are going to see today. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can see here. Okay. So this is the transcription
See,
guideline. I'm sorry.
we can
Uh, may I know who's this?
Arundhati.
Okay. You can't see the screen.
Yeah.
Need you can't get your screen, sir.
I'm sorry.
I too didn't get your screen.
Sir, it's visible, sir.
It's
Yeah,
visible,
it's
right?
visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if anyone is facing any issue in seeing the screen, you can leave the group. You can leave the meeting and join again, so you can see. Okay.
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 So they have to return on the top to see that.
I'm sorry. Okay. So now it is visible for everyone, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It
Oh,
is
yes,
visible.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Tim. So the first thing, what is transcription? So transcription is the process of converting spoken language into written text. Okay.
Yes.
So the language can be any language. Like for you, your native language only will come. For those who are Tamil, you will get Tamil. Those who are Telugu, you will get Telugu. Those who are Hindi, you will get Hindi. Okay. So whatever the language comes, you need to work accordingly. Okay. So yeah. So this is what we are going to do. So for this, you don't need to know the language typing. Okay. For example, if you are Tamil person, you don't need to know about how to type in Tamil. Okay. So we have a tool called Google Input Tools. Okay. So how many of you know about Google Input Tools? Okay. So in this website, you can download for all languages. Bengali is there, Gujarati is there, Kannada, Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil is there, Telugu, Punjabi. Okay. So you can download the tool from this link. Okay. As per your language, you can download. Okay. So once you have downloaded, then you can install. Then you can see this keyboard like this near to the time. Okay. Here the time is there, system time. Near to that, you can see English. If you click that, you can see English and Tamil. Okay. For me, I am selecting Tamil. For you, you will get your own language. Like for Tamil, I mean Telugu, you will get Telugu like that. Okay. So if you click this Tamil, then you can type.
So I don't know. I can able to see multiple screens in the presentations
I'm sorry.
sometimes. Sometimes I can able to see a lot of screens is visible to me. So I don't know. For me, only I'm seeing. Now
You
it is
mean this
better.
one?
Yes, there are
Yeah.
multiple.
Now you have. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is visible.
No,
It
no,
is
no.
not showing.
Right now, I have opened
Now there are
the
multiple.
Google Meet. That is the reason it is showing multiple screens.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Is it visible? Is it okay now?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So as of now, I have selected the language. Okay. Okay. Now, if I need to type in Tamil, okay, I need to type the English letter. Okay. If it is Vanakkam, VANAKKAM, same I'm typing. Okay. Then if I click space, I will get the Tamil word. Anyone, everyone can see, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So like,
Yes, yes.
uh, okay. So like this, we can type. You don't need to check like which letter is having this letter, which English letter is having Tamil letter. You don't need to memorize it. You just need to like how you are typing in WhatsApp. Okay, how you are chatting. In same way, you are going to type. Okay, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So make sure
Yes.
uh, there
Yes,
is
sir.
no spelling mistake. That is very important. Okay, because you are going to work in your own native language, so you should not make any mistake in the language typing. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next thing. So first thing is transcription. Transcription is nothing but typing the audio into text. Next one is segmentation. Segmentation. Why we are doing the segmentation? The reason is because we need to separate. There will be many speaker in the audio, like speaker one, speaker two, speaker three. We need to classify like this person is talking in this segment, this person is talking in this segment, like this. Okay. In one segment, there should be no two speakers. So when I go to the platform, I will show you what it is. Okay. So there is some rules for segmentation. Okay. Each segment is having must should have only 15 seconds. Okay. Whenever there is a different speaker starts talking, you need to create a segment. Okay. And whenever speaker is having a gap, like he is not talking for more than 0.5 seconds. Okay. At that time, you need to create a segment. Okay. In case the segment is already created, you want to make this one I will show. Okay.
Now the
So
pointers.
sorry.
Segment means it will be like a pointers, huh?
Segment is like, for example, there is a box. In this box, I can put only apple. And another box I'm taking, in that box, I'm putting only orange. Like that, you can imagine in one box, my speech only will be there. In another box, your speech only will be there. You understood?
Then we have to create separate, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, when I come to the platform, I will show you how the segment will be. Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
now
sir.
I'm teaching the rules. Okay. So here you can see example. This is the first speaker is talking. Okay, and there is a gap, and the second speaker is talking. So here you cannot understand that much clear. Okay, so next one. Okay, so we are going to work in the auto-generated segment. So there will be lot of mistakes because it is generated by the computer. Okay, so we need to adjust the segment. Okay, we need to reassign the segment to the correct speaker, and then whenever split needed, you need to do. Okay, whenever merge is needed, you need to do. Okay, split is nothing but dividing the segment into two. Merging means joining the segment into one. Okay, and there are different labels will be there. Speech will be there. Speech is the main part in this transcription. It means the primary speaker. For who is the primary speaker? Here in this audio, we are getting call center conversation. Okay, if it is a call center conversation, how many members will be there in a call? One is a customer, one is a agent, right? So there will
Yes.
be two speakers. So speaker one and speaker two. These two are speech. And apart from that, if anything you are listening like background noise, traffic or fan sound, wind sound or bike sound, whatever it is, that will be tagged as noise. Then babble. So if you can't understand any word, like the person is talking very slow, or there is any background conversation, that need to be marked as babble. Okay, and when the person is talking, the primary person is talking, and someone is playing the music. Okay, at that time, you can take only the speech. Okay, but when there is no speech and at that time the music is played, at that time you need to mark it as music. Have you understood the difference between the speech and the music?
Can you please repeat it once?
Yes, right. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in speech there will be only speech. In uh, in another part there will be speech and there are some background noise also, whatever it is, noise or music, whatever it is. In that one also, if you can hear the primary speaker's voice, then you need to take it as a speech only. But if you can't hear the primary speaker's voice, and if you can hear any noise or music, whatever it is, you need to tag accordingly. Like if you can hear the noise, you need to mark it as noise. If you can hear the music, you need to mark it as music. In the absence of speech. Okay, so unintelligible. So it means if a person is talking and you can't understand anything, like there will be some network issue, at that time the voice will be broken. Okay, at that time you need to mark it as unintelligible, and you need to put double open and double close bracket. Okay, next thing. So in each segmentation, okay, you need to mark these things. Okay, so in a particular segment, if a person is saying any numbers, for example, note down my phone number. This is my phone number 98765432210. So it is having number. So you need to mark it as yes. Okay. So whatever it is, I have 50 rupees. So 50 is a number. So you need to mark it as yes. Then date. Date is a number. And what other things? Time is there. Okay. Height is there. Weight is there. If anyone is saying you're 80 kg, 80 is a number. So you need to mark it as yes. Okay. And yeah, we are going to type in your native language. It is Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi. So if any English words are coming, So, for example, in this segment, if any English word is coming, you need to mark the segment as yes for English. Okay. So maybe it is a common word like books, gift, whatever it is, and even for brand name. Okay. Amazon, Flipkart, whatever it is. Okay. And for technical terms also. So software is there, update is there, firmware is there, mobile phone is there. So these will come in English word. So you need to mark that segment as yes. Okay. So gender annotation. So gender, you need to identify whether it is a male or female. Okay. So that you need to mark. So I will share the tool also. Okay. This one you can easily understand. Okay. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the box you are going to type the content. Okay. So this is the segment. Okay. So from this point to this point, this words are there. Okay. This is the speech is there. Okay. So here you can see speech is there, noise is there, music is there, babble is there, unintelligible is there. So
Sir,
if you can, yes.
sir, please present this particular tab, sir, so we can able to hear the noise. Oh,
Yeah, yeah. So as of now, I'm showing the screen just to
okay,
understand understand the guidelines. Okay,
okay, sir.
because like if I teach like this, you can't understand anything. So that's the reason
Okay,
I'm
sir.
showing this. Okay. So in this particular point, in this particular segment, you can hear only this conversation. Okay, like speech. Okay. So here you need to mark the speaker as speaker two, and here if it is English, okay, so future B is a English, so you need to mark it as yes. Okay, then here um, number, there is no number, so you need to mark it as no. Okay, so for segmentation adjustment, okay, so if you keep the mouse like this, okay, you can adjust like this. So the speech should not go outside the segment. Okay, like this you can keep. Have you understood how I am adjusting the segmentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this you need to hear the audio, then you need to type. Okay. And when you are typing, you need to mark all these things. So here you can mark the gender. Okay. So let me complete the guidelines, then we can move to the platform. Okay. So these are the sound tag you need to use. So whenever you are hearing any background speech, okay, at that time you need to copy and paste it like this. Okay. So you don't need to type these segments, I mean, these tags like that. You can just simply copy and paste. So whatever the tags given here, that only you need to use. Okay. Like laugh is there. You should not type like laughter. Uh, Here cry only is there. You should not type as crying. So it's better you can just copy and paste it here. Okay, if needed. Okay, so for background noise, this is the tag. For laughing, this is the tag. For crying, this is the tag. For music, this is the tag. Okay, here I'm showing you like the speaker is also there, and at the same time, music is also playing. Okay, so at that time, you need to use the music tag. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for noise, you will not hear any speech. That is the reason we are marking it as noise. Okay. So apart from that, applause is there. If anyone is clapping, and if any animal sound is there, dog barking, cat sound, whatever it is. Okay. And mission, if you can hear any electronic sound like a car horn, phone vibrating, whatever it is, phone ringing. Okay. So in that one, you need to mark this mission. So these tags must be inserted at the exact point of occurrence in the audio. If a non-speech sound happens while a speaker is talking, you should place the tag at the specific moment in the transcript. Okay. So for example, hello, how are you? When I'm saying this, after hello, the phone is ringing. Okay. So hello, phone ringing. For that, you need to put mission. So hello, mission, how are you? You understood?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever the speech, I mean the sound is coming, at that point you need to put this tag. Okay. So close tag for transcription. Okay. So to ensure consistent, we use close tag for certain cases. You can access this tag using shortcut. Okay. So this one. These are the tags you are going to use. Okay. Do you know these kind of tags? Have you used anywhere? So those who used codings, those who worked in codings, those who studied codings, they will understand. Okay. So like open bracket, HTML, close bracket, these kind of things will come, right? Same like that, we are going to use initial tag. So where initial tag need to be used, like whenever these kind of things, ATM. Okay. So we will not say like the full form. We will say ATM only. But for NASA, okay, if I'm saying NASA, it is a word. But if I'm saying NASA, it is a abbreviation. You understood the difference? So another example, SBI Bank, ICICI, HDFC, CD, DVD. So these kind of things need to be included in this initial tag. Okay. So like this, you need to open, then you need to type, then you need to close like this. You understood, right? Okay. Okay. Next one. So language. Okay. So apart from your native language, all other languages are foreign language, even if it is English or any other language. Okay. So for Tamil person, English is also a foreign language. Hindi is also a foreign language. Okay. So the native language is only the Tamil. So whenever you can hear the different language, you need to use this tag. Okay. You can just copy and paste it here. Okay. So in this one, the person is saying future B. So future B is a English. Okay. So here you need to type future B like this. Okay. So this is how you need to use. Okay. So PII tagging. So what is PII tagging? So whatever the personal informations are there. Okay. So if it is your name or phone number, email ID, address. Okay, these kind of informations are personal identifiable information. Like Aadhaar card is there, bank account number is there, PAN card is there, passport number is there. Okay, these need to be marked as PII. For example, uh, hello, is this? So here you need to use this tag, like okay. You understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. So whatever it is, like hello, is this your phone number? So for phone number, the point is you need to type in words. Okay. So for this, okay. So the reason is because it is a PII, and for words, I mean for numbers, we need to type in words only. Okay, that I will show you. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one, filler words. So what is a filler word? So whenever we are talking, at that time we will use some words, sounds to fill that gap, like these kind of sounds, right? So that need to be typed.
Okay, sir.
So use only the given list. Okay. Access the okay, filler words list using Control plus J. So there is a shortcut also. So Control plus J. Okay, here you can see the filler words. Can you see the list?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are working, you can open the uh, guidelines in another tab. So it will be easy for you. Okay. Select the exact filler words pronounced by the speaker. If a filler word is missing from the list, contact the project manager. That will not happen in most of the case. Okay. Transcribe filler words exactly as spoken. So same thing. Like these kind of words will come. So at that time you need to select the sound. The filler version difference between filler words, the response indicating increment. Okay, so this is like for yes, usually the uh, US people, English people, they will say like these kind of sounds. Okay, so for you need to differentiate the filler word and the yes. How you will differentiate? If a person is asking one question, the another person will say like that. It means it is a yes. Okay, so those kind of words need to be typed without the hash symbol. Understood, right?
Can you repeat, sir?
Okay. For example, uh, have you ordered this book? Okay, I'm asking this question, and you are saying, Okay, this word is a yes. Okay, as per the, I mean, this will not come in our case because like we usually don't say these kind of things. We will say ama illa, these kind of things, right? So this is for English people, not for us. So next one, transcription guidelines in this project will result. Okay. So everything as usual. Handle incorrect language transcription. Okay. We need to correct the transcription. If the auto transcription is in a different language, then the language will have to transcribe the segment from scratch. So these are the characters you need to use. Okay. Apostrophe, comma, exclamatory. Okay. So all this, these symbols only need to be used. So these symbols should not be used. For example, numerals 1, 2, 3, 4. These kind of numerals or Roman letters should not be used. Okay. Special symbols like dollar, at, percentage, plus, minus, equal to. This need to be avoided. Okay. If a person is saying, I have like $0. Okay. So incorrect transcription in this one, this is wrong because dollar symbol is there and zero is there. So how you need to type zero, Z-E-R-O, dollar, D-O-L-L-A-R-S. Okay. So here you can see 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. You understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for email also, I dash ruby at gmail.com. So how you need to write I dash ruby at gmail.com. Okay. So this is how you need to type. You should not use any numbers or any symbols at any place. Okay. So these are the special characters can be used. Apart from this, you should not use any other special characters like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are allowed. Okay. So next thing. Spoken correctly. Okay. Okay. So for example, if a person is saying some words, okay, and that is related to that region dialect. Okay. So it is we usually say like colloquial language. Okay. Colloquial form. It means, for example, in North India, I mean North Tamil Nadu, okay, they will talk in one slang, and in South Tamil Nadu, they will talk in another slang. Okay, so we need to type as per that slang only. Okay, you should not correct that word. Okay, any doubts till now?
No, sir.
Okay. So mispronounced words. While transcribing, the transcription should be faithful to the speech, but it should also conform to standard text. So here you can see this is the mispronounced word. See here, call your representative. So representative is wrong. The correct word is representative. Okay. So you need to type like this. Some people will say like is school. So we need to type it as school only. Okay. Non-standard usage. Transcribe the speaker's speech exactly as spoken, even if it does not follow standard grammar rules. Okay. So grammar rules, even if they are talking in wrong grammar, you need to type accordingly. Okay. You should not correct the grammar. For example, yesterday I am going to temple. So yesterday is a past tense. I'm going to the future. I'm sorry, present. Right? I am going to. present. So it is a incorrect grammar. So you should not correct the grammar. You need to type as it is. Okay. So next one, capitalization. So whenever the capitalization need to be used, the first letter, okay, I, that need to be written in caps. California is a place. Okay. So here the word is coming in English. Okay, that's the reason it is showing as English. But for your native language, you need to type in your native language. Even if it is America, you need to type in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, like that only. You should not write in English. Okay. Which are the words we can write in English? English words are can be written in English. Okay. Brand name like Facebook, YouTube, these kind of names can be used in, I mean, written in English. Okay. Even if it is Donald Trump, you need to write in Tamil or Telugu, this only. Okay. You should not correct it. Understood, right? So he works for NASA. So how we need to write? H should be H caps. Okay. NASA. If the person is saying NASA, you need to write it as NASA. Okay. If the person is saying NASA, you need to put initial tag. Then inside that, you need to write in NASA. Okay. Okay. So here you can see these are all not needed. Okay. So abbreviation. Not introduce abbreviation. Okay. So here you can see if the person is saying doctor, we usually write DR. For Mr., we used to write MR. Okay. But we need to write in transcription as doctor means DOCTOR, Mr. means MISTER. Okay. Here you can see talk to doctor like this. Okay. Here you can see this one you can see. MR, you need to write it as Mr. Okay. For doctor, if they put DR, you need to you should not write DR. You need to write doctor, DOCTOR. Okay, so these are the things. And individual focus. Okay, I'm sorry. Hello. Okay, so here you can see my name is John, JOHN. Okay, so this is what they have said in the audio. So you need to write it as my name is John, J space O space H space N. Okay, so this will not happen in your language. Okay, so you can write, but you should not put this comma. Okay, just give a space and write. That's it. Okay, next one, number. I already said you should not put any numerical letters. You need to write it in words only. Okay, so I have 5 apples. 5 means FIB. She finished second place. Second means SECOND only. Okay, so like that you need to write. Okay, so acronyms. For acronyms, you need to write like this. Even if they say okay or okay, you can hear only okay, you need to write this okay AY only. Okay, if it is coming in Tamil and English. Then spoken individual letters are not considered. Do not use. Okay, for these acronyms, you should not use initial. For example, Here you can see, are you okay? You need to write, are you okay, AY? Okay. Here, my name is Raj, R-A-J. Okay. So why we are not using the initial tag here? Anyone?
Can you use PI? PII?
No, it's not PII. Yeah, it is a PII, but why we are not using the initial tag?
It's
Because
abbreviation.
it's a name and not a capital.
Yeah, there is no full form for these letters, right? For example, SBI. SBI means State Bank of India. It is a full form. Okay. CD,
Yes.
compact disc. But for Raj, RAJ, there is no full form. So that's the reason we are not using initial tag here. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So disfluent speech, like if a person is talking continuously and suddenly if he is stopping anywhere, okay, at that time you need to use this tilde key. Okay, so this tilde key will be below the escape key. Okay, for example, direction to the hospital hotel. So at this time, the person is saying two times to the, but then you need to write two times without any dot or space, extra space like that. Okay, like this you need to write. And for uh, school, like that, if anyone is saying like for school, they are saying school like this. So for after this, you need to put this tilde key. Okay, see here, Alexa. So then tilde key, then Alexa. Okay, so everything is over. Same thing they have explained. Okay, okay. Now we can move to the platform. Okay, okay. Now I'm playing.
Future B.
future B.
வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம், சொல்லுங்க.
பேங்க்ல இருந்து பேசுறீங்களா?
ஆமா, உங்களுக்கு என்ன தகவல் வேணும்?
நான் உங்க பேங்க்ல கஸ்டமர், என் நேம் வந்து இந்திரா.
So have you listened to the audio?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
first thing, yeah. So here you can see this segment is okay. Okay. So here, what they are talking, you need to click in this transcription box. Then you need to click this button.
Future B.
Okay. They are saying future B, and the gender is female.
Female.
Okay. Okay. So once you change for this one segment, okay, wherever the speaker 2 is mentioned, there it will change automatically. Okay, here you can see if you have mentioned the speaker 2, it has been mentioned as female. Here you can see female. Like this it will be changed. And here you can see the hear the audio clearly, right?
Future B.
They are saying future B. So what you need to do, which tag you need to use here?
Foreign language.
Yeah, foreign language. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to copy the tag from that guidelines, then you can write here. Okay, and here English word is there, so we have selected yes. There is no number, so no. And speech is there, so speech. So here you can see if you select this one, speaker one, it will come here. So it should not happen. You need to cover this waveform only. So you need to select speaker two. Okay. So this segment is completed. Then we can go to the next segment. Okay.
A future B. 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 A
Okay. They are saying, hey future B. Okay. So the same content but extra hey is added. Okay. So same I have added. Here you can see now you have written in English and we have used foreign tag also. But here you can see this one is required. English word selection is required. So we need to select the word is English. And here the number selection, there is no number. So we are selecting no. And here the speech is, speaker is speaker one. So selected. And the gender is female. Okay. So selected. So here in this segment, you can hear only the
Future B.
A
future B. Here you can hear only
A future B.
hey future B. Okay. Now in next segment. Okay. So whenever you are going to type, first thing what you need to do, you just need to adjust the segment like this. Okay. The segment need to be this much close. It should not be like this. If you do like this, there is some speech will go outside the segment. Okay, you can hear, you can see the segment right clearly, the screen and all.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so here you can see there is some waveform. It is outside the segment, so you should not do like that. You need to cover the segment waveform like this. So front and back both sides. Now listen to this audio.
Vanakkam.
So they are saying Vanakkam in Tamil. Okay. So Vanakkam. So it has been typed. There is no English, no number, no speech is there, speaker is there. Speaker two. Okay. Next one.
வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க.
Bankல இருந்து பேசுறேன்.
So here you can hear properly.
வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க. வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க. வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க. வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க.
Okay. What they are saying? Anyone? Tamil person?
வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க.
So before that they are saying Vanakkam. Okay. Because is a filler word. So that you need to type. So for that, what you need to use? Control plus J. Okay. If you select Control J, you will get this list. So from this list, you need to select the proper word. Then you need to type. Okay. So this one is done. So segmentation also properly done. Okay. Next.
சொல்லுங்க.
Bankல.
Here. Here you listen.
சொல்லுங்க.
Bankல.
சொல்லுங்க.
Bankல.
This is just a noise only. So you can just select like this. And here it is a noise. Okay. So if we select this, we don't need to type in it. Okay. It's just a small noise. and this noise. So for this, you need to select English no, number no, like this. Then next one.
பேங்க்ல இருந்து பேசுறீங்களா? பேங்க்ல இருந்து பேசுறீங்களா?
Bankல இருந்து பேசுறீங்களா? So here bank is a English word. Then bankல பேசுறீங்களா? Okay. So here English word is there. So yes, number no, speech is okay, female selected, everything's okay. Then we can go to next. So here you can select like this.
Can you show the previous one again? The one where you put the English language word?
This one, right?
Exactly.
பேங்க்ல இருந்து பேசுறீங்களா? பேங்க்ல இருந்து பேசுறீங்களா?
Yeah. Any doubts in this?
I just wanted to have a look again. Just sorry. Bye.
Yeah, it's okay. So I understood, right? Why I have used this language tag?
It says bank is it.
Yeah, bank is a English word, so we have used foreign language. Then Tamil is there, so Tamil type. Okay, so here in this point you can see you can't hear anything, so you can directly delete this segment. So for deleting, you can just click this one. Okay, now here in this segment you can see, so there are lot of empty space. You should not do like this. You should keep this. And here also, I can zoom out a little bit, and you can move from here to here. So entire waveform has been covered. Okay.
ஆமா உங்களுக்கு என்ன தகவல் வேணும்?
Okay. So what they are talking? ஆமா. Okay. So உங்களுக்கு என்ன தகவல் வேணும்? It is a question. So what information you want? Okay. So we need to type and then we need to use question mark. Okay, so here there is no English word, so English no, number no, speech is there. Okay, so the waveform is also completely covered. Then we can go to next. Okay, here you can see there is a differential. You need to cover like this, then move this like this.
நான் உங்க பேங்க்ல கஸ்டமர், என் நேம் வந்து இந்திரா.
Okay, நான் இந்த பேங்க்ல கஸ்டமர், என் நேம் இந்திரா. Okay, so நான் இந்த then English word is there. Bank la, then LA, then again customer. So then at the end you need to use the full stop. Then and then again English word name. Then PII because they have said they are going to say name. So PII tag. Copy. Paste. Enter. So here English word is there. So yes, number is there is no number. Select no. Okay. So this is how you need to work.
சார்
Yes.
சார் அவங்க வந்து நான் சொல்றாங்கல்ல, அது வந்து ஸ்போக்கன் லாங்குவேஜ்ல நான் வரும். நம்ம டைப் பண்ணும்போது நான் டைப் பண்ணணுமா, நானே டைப் பண்ணணும்?
வெறும் நான் தான் டைப் பண்ணணும்.
ஓகே.
இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் மதுரை சைட்ல வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, வர்றாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு வர்றாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கரெக்டா?
எஸ் சார்.
ஸோ அப்போ அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம டைப் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும்.
ஓகே.
ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன்.
ஓகே.
எனக்கு
சொல்லு. ஓகே.
எனக்கு
சொல்லு.
Here they are saying okay. So Control J. Control plus J. Problem again. Yes. Then language tag is there. Okay. So like this, we need to type. Okay. So any doubts in this?
Sir, can you tell me please about sir merge and split?
I'm sorry?
Sir, I would like to know about sir merge and split options showing in left side panel.
Sorry, there is some background noise from your side.
Sir, merge and split options.
Merge and split. Okay. Okay. For example, if I have selected a segment, I mean, if I have created a segment like this, okay, and if I need to split the segment, okay, click on the waveform to split point. Mark the split point. Now click in the text. The way to mark the point, click in the text. So for this, This one is not working properly. It's not splitting. Okay, it's better you can use like this. If you don't want the segment, you can just click this and delete it. That will be easy for you.
मेरी पेमेंट तुझी करते नहीं करते अरे भाई मेरा काट पार्टी बना कोई मस्ता थोड़े पिला तो सही तुम्हें करते हो सब कम नहीं चढ़ने का लगा दे तू सारे सारे वापस ले जाओ लगे बोलो सो
Hello.
और करते हैं क्या सर मैं नहीं करता है
It's better you can use directly like this. Okay, if you don't want any point, you can just shrink like this. Okay, you can just move and keep it like this. And if you want here, you can use like this. Then you can listen. Okay, then you can type here. Because this platform is having some problems. Here you can see there are a lot of empty space here. You need to adjust like this. Okay, then from here also like this. So first, whenever you start a work, you can just adjust the segmentation like this. So it will be easy for you to complete the work fast. So, yeah. So any team, any doubts in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, so like this you need to keep and you need to start working.
சார் ஒரு செக்மெண்ட் எவ்வளோ செகண்ட்ஸ் வரைக்கும் இருக்கலாம் சார்?
Maximum வந்து 15 seconds.
ஓகே சார்.
So நீங்க அது கைட்லைன்ஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இருக்கும் அதுல so you can see in the guidelines the maximum duration of one segment is 15 seconds. Okay, so that is the first point. Okay, so team, so as of now everything is clear. Okay.
Yes.
So if you have any doubt, you can just ask me, or else we can wind up the session. And as of now, I'm sorry.
Sir, if more empty space is there, we have to leave just like that, or else it will be recorded. Sir.
No, if more empty space like this, you need to adjust like this.
Okay, that we need not to enter anything on that, right?
No. So you need to adjust like this. Then you need to listen to the audio. Then you need to type here. Okay.
Okay. For segment time calculation, I'm asking. For empty space, it is not counted into that, right?
No. The total duration of this audio is here 5 minutes 29 seconds.
Okay.
So this will be counted.
That will be counted. Done.
Yeah. Okay. So before that we can so if you so once you have completed a part of work and if you want to save the work, then you need to go to any other work. Means what you need to do, you need to save using this draft. So whatever the work you have completed till now, it will be saved. Okay. Then
If we want to
you
submit,
can again,
we have to click on submit, sir.
yeah, so once you have completed, you can just go through from starting to ending again. Okay. Don't make any mistake. After checking thoroughly, then you can submit. Okay. So again, if you want to take the saved file, here you can see. So see, this is how you can see the platform. Okay. First thing, it will be like this. You need to put the email ID, password, then login. Then here you can see there is no new file. Once you complete one file, then you will get next file. Okay. So as of now, I have taken one file. That is the reason it is in draft. So I'm clicking draft and again opening this file like this. So whatever the work I have completed till now, everything has been saved. Okay. So nothing will get deleted.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
What about overlapping section?
So this is a channel divided one. Okay. This channel
Okay.
1 is in different one, channel 2 is in different one. So if you don't want to listen channel 2, simply you can
Okay. Okay.
here. Okay. So if you click here, see here, click in this part, I have enabled the channel 1, disabled the channel 2. So I can hear only channel 1.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So if I don't want to listen to channel 1, I can mute it, and if I want to listen only to the channel 2, I can unmute it. Okay. So there is
Okay.
no
Okay.
problem in overlap here. So that is the plus
Okay.
point in this audio. You can clearly work in this one.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So team, any other doubts? So team, as of now, I got Tamil and Telugu ID. Okay. So once you have started, we can get more IDs. So who are all ready to start now? Those who are ready, you can just mention in the group. Okay. I will give the IDs today. So as of now, we got only 5 minutes like this. Okay. So we can complete easily by today. Okay. So once you have completed, you can just inform me. Let me go through the audio once. Okay. If everything is okay, then we can get more IDs and we can start completing. Okay. Okay. So whenever you are having any doubt, you can just ask in the group so that I can clear the doubts. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
that purple line represents speaker 2 and the green line represents speaker 1, na, sir?
Yes. So here, if you select this one as speaker 2, automatically the segment will come down. It means
Yeah,
speaker 2. Okay. So again, if you want to change, you need to select speaker 1. So it will come here.
okay, sir.
So if you want to create a new segment, you can just click here and move the mouse like this. Then you can select. I mean, create a new segment.
Okay, sir.
And if you want to delete, you can delete here. Okay. And if you want to see any keyboard shortcuts, here you can click. See here at the top, second one. If you click here, you can see all the shortcuts. So for who is in? Okay. So here you can see for filler words, Control J. This is for Windows user. Okay. And this is for Mac user. For Mac user, you need to use Command J. And for Windows user, you can use Control J. For find and replace, Control F. Okay. So if you want to listen to the same segment, okay, for that Shift plus Escape. Like if you want to listen only to this segment, Shift plus Escape.
அவசரத்திற்கு மன்னிக்கவும் சொல்லுங்க. ஓ சிரமத்திற்கு மன்னிக்கவும். சொல்லுங்க. ஓ சிரமத்திற்கு மன்னிக்கவும். சொல்லுங்க. ஓ சிரமத்திற்கு மன்னிக்கவும். சொல்லுங்க.
Okay,
ஓ
if you want to
சிரமத்திற்கு
stop,
மன்னிக்கவும்.
again
சொல்லுங்க.
shift
ஓ
plus
சிரமத்திற்கு
escape. Okay, if you click this one, it will stop. Okay, delete segment, you can directly delete there. So instead of using the shortcut for delete segment, it is easy to click here at the right. Okay, save segment, control S. Here draft is there, you can directly click draft. There is no problem. For split, that I already said, just click on the mouse and move. So you can click, select the, you can create the segment. Okay, so for selecting, for moving to a previous or next segment, you need to click directly from here only. You don't need to use any shortcuts. Actually, it is not a shortcut. And next one, uh, move to various element in segment. So this is not needed. Change in drop down value, not needed. Merge segment, not needed. Overlap segment, needed. Here you can see you can use for tag control K plus control and then control. See what it is. Control plus K. Control K. Okay, so here if you click control plus K, you can see the tag here. You don't need to even copy from guidelines also. Okay. From here you can select. If you can hear any English words, you can select foreign. If you can hear any abbreviation, you can select initial. If you can hear any name or any number, email ID, you can select PII. Okay. What about control L? Okay. So for control L, in this one you can see the tags, these kind of tags, which need to be used in between the speech. For example, when I'm saying this word, okay, okay, for after these two words, a baby is crying. So what you need to do, control plus L, you can click control, this one, cry. Okay, and there should be no double space. You need to check that also. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, these are the extra shortcuts you can use. So what are the things you can use? Don't use this delete segment, the save transcript, split segment. No need to use that. You can use directly using your mouse. Okay, that will be very easy. For tag, you don't need to copy paste from there. For that, you can use control plus K and control plus L. Then for filler words, you can use control J. So you can memorize JKL. Okay. For in J, filler word, K, the tags. Okay. And in L also tag. So these three you can memorize. JKL. These three. Okay. And next one, play and pause. For that, you need to use escape button. Okay. If you click only escape, it will play the entire audio. Like sometimes it is not working. So that also we don't need to use. You can use directly
எனக்கு
from
கொஞ்சம்
here.
பேலன்ஸ் செக் பண்ணி சொல்லு.
And next one, segment. For this, shift plus escape. This sometimes will work. And toggle mute not needed. Backward, forward, slow, fast, not needed. Okay. Sometimes if you accidentally deleted some words, then you need to use control Z. Okay. And if you this one you also know, already know, like control plus C, copy, control plus V, paste. Okay. So everything we have seen. Any doubts in this? Okay.
சார் அவங்க பேலன்ஸ் செக் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்கல்ல சார். அப்ப பேலன்ஸ்க்கு தனியா ஃபாரின் லாங்குவேஜ் போடணும். செக் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. அந்த செக்குக்கு தனியா நம்ம ஃபாரின் லாங்குவேஜ் போடணுங்களா?
Okay. In this point, if two English words are coming together, so you can use a single tag. No need to create separate tag for each English words. Okay. So this is a good point. Okay. For example, if a person is saying Control plus K, Control K, select this, balance, BALANCE, check, then outside, yeah. But if the person is saying balance எனக்கு check பண்ணி சொல்றீங்களா? Okay. So in this point, you can hear Tamil word. Then you need to split the tag. Okay. So for that, what you need to do is you can just cut this one, Control X, paste it here. Then Control K, Control K, select this tag, then Control X, Control V. So you need to understand, when two English words are coming, even 10 English words are coming together, you can use a single foreign tag. But if any Tamil words are coming, I mean your native language is coming in the mid, then you need to stop the tag from there. Then you need to type Tamil, I mean your native language. Then again you need to open a new tag. Okay, you understood, right?
Yes sir, got it.
So any other doubts? Team? Team, if you don't have any doubt, we can wind up the session. We can start the work because it's already 1.5 hours.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Actually, I missed 15 minutes. I joined like 15 minutes late. So what did I miss?
Okay.
Like
Okay. So this
the guidelines. Can you share the guidelines on WhatsApp or someplace where you can read it?
okay. So this meeting is recorded.
Oh, is it?
Okay. So it will be easy for you to go through it. And yeah, in the initial part, I have explained the guidelines. The same I have sent you in the email.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask from the guidelines.
Sir, any deadline, sir,
For which one?
for this project?
Okay. So the total duration of this project is 300 hours for each language. So once the targeted hours is completed, the project will be over. Even if it is 5 days or 10 days, 15 days, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever one project completed, we will get another project. So that is not a problem. The only thing is you need to work properly. Okay. So anyone is having any doubt in payment part? Like payment part means like any payment guarantee. Any doubts in that?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Okay. Okay. So your whatever the work you are completing for this project, the payment will come at the end of April. It means like between 20 to 30. Hello.
Sir, is there any deadline for one audio file?
For If you have taken one file today, the same file need to be completed before tomorrow same time. Okay. It means like if I have taken the file by 3 o'clock in the afternoon today, I need to complete the file before 3 o'clock tomorrow. Otherwise, the file will be removed from your ID and it will be moved to another person ID automatically. It's not a manual one. It will happen automatically.
Sir, per
Okay.
day, how many files they will give, sir?
See, an experienced transcriber can complete 45 minutes of audio per day easily. Okay. If you are a beginner, you can complete 15 to 25 minutes. Okay. So each file is having a duration. In this file, the duration is 5 minutes 29 seconds. You can consider as 5 minutes 30 seconds. Okay. So this can be completed just within 30 to 45 minutes easily. Okay. So once you have completed, if you are available for next file, you can take directly. No problem. So if you can't, if you are not getting any file, you can just inform me so that I can talk to the tech team and you will get the next file. Okay.
Sir, per file, how much will get, sir?
It's not based on per file. It's based
Okay.
on per minute. Per minute.
For minute,
Okay.
how much, sir?
Yeah, that I will explain separately.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you received the email from me?
No, sir, still.
Okay.
I will
Yeah.
send you the mail ID here.
Yeah. Sure. You can send me in my WhatsApp. That will be easy
Sir, I
for me
don't
to
have
send
your
you.
number, sir.
Okay. You're from Bhumi's team, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. She will explain you
Yeah, okay,
about the
sir.
payments and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So apart from this, any other doubts, team? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, team. So yeah, Punjabi IDs. Okay. So team, as of now, I got Tamil and Telugu IDs. Okay. So once you have started, we will get the other languages also. Okay. They are preparing the IDs. Okay. So you need to wait. The reason why I have given the training for everyone is just to make sure everyone should be ready when the ID is ready. Okay. So before that,
Okay,
you need
sir.
to clear all the doubts so you can start. So those who are ready, Tamil and Telugu person, those who are ready, you can just inform me. I will give you the IDs. Okay. So team, so if you don't have any doubt, we can wind up the session. You can leave the meet.